In the heart of a tropical rainforest, two sisters embarked on an adventure ripe with wonder. As they ventured along a winding path, the dense foliage gradually gave way to a hidden treasure. Their eyes widened as they beheld a sight that took their breath away. A forgotten treasure from ages past. There, nestled amidst the trees, stood an ancient temple, adorned with statues and mesmerizing pillars. Time had weathered its stones, but its architectural beauty remained resplendent. In awe, the sisters stepped into a world frozen in time. They marveled at the intricate carvings that adorned the pillars, each telling a story of distant lands and forgotten legends. The statues, guardians of the temple's sacred past, seemed to come alive in their imagination. Deeply moved by the temple's magnificence, sisters vowed to protect this sacred place. They would honor its history and share its beauty with the world, preserving its ancient magic for generations to come. As they left the temple, the rainforest whispered its secrets in their ears, a testament to the power of exploration and the enduring allure of architectural wonders. Raindrops fell gently, as if nature itself celebrated their discovery.